Hi, good evening. Here, if acceleration of a body by application of a force is A1, the acceleration of another body by same force is A2. Suppose if two bodies are combined and same force is applied, then what is acceleration of combined mass? That is our question. Already, according to Newton's second law, F is equal to ma, then mass becomes force by acceleration. So, according to m is equal to F by A formula, suppose if you take first body, force, let us assume F, then mass m1 becomes F by A1. Similarly, second body, mass m2, that is equal to F by A2, when same force is applied but acceleration different. So, m1 is F by A1, m2 is F by A2. But here, two bodies are combined. Combined means total mass becomes m1 plus m2. But m1 is F by A1, m2 is F by A2. But combined mass can be written as m can be written as F by A. So on both sides F cancel, then 1 by A is equal to 1 by A1 plus 1 by A2. If you take LCM and simplify, then acceleration becomes A1 A2 by A1 plus A2. That is answer. Thank you.